So this is the Sensereo MS-1 smoke alarm with Matter over Thread. It's the first smoke alarm that I have with Matter. I had one, I still have one existing that is Tuya, which I really don't like, very unreliable. But this one, I'm really excited. So let's have a look and unbox it and see what's inside. Once you unbox it, inside you've got the Sensereo MS-1 unit, the user manual, screws and wall plugs, and the mounting bracket. The build quality feels solid, it's clean, minimal, and it doesn't look bulky in the ceiling. At least I hope not. The button is large and is easy to press. Now let's have a look how easy it is, or not, to integrate into HomeKit. Just open the app, tap Add Accessory, and scan the HomeKit code. The connection is instant. I mean, you recognize straight away it's a smoke sensor. Once added, you can see the current status, get instant notifications, edit automations, use it inside scenes, and so on. And this is where all this becomes interesting, which is no longer just an alarm, but it's part of your smart home system. For example, if smoke is detected, you can turn all the lights on to a specific state, for example, red. You can unlock smart locks if you have them. You can trigger sirens. For example, I've got an Akira hub with a siren, and it will blast a scene that I will set. You can send alerts to family members. Why not? Because if you're not home, someone can come to the house and see what's going on. That's why I prefer smart smoke alarms than traditional ones. Now, let's have a look at how easy or hard it is to install. The installation is straightforward. Once the bracket is installed, you just twist the unit into the bracket and it locks securely, and actually it turns on the unit, which is perfect. And if you have any automations, these will run flawlessly. Now the most important part, the smoke test. That as soon as the smoke was detected, the alarm sounded immediately and a cover hub will blast this annoying sound. Now, in the box here, it says reasonably annoying smoke alarm, and I have to say it is really annoying, and that's what you want. Something that will wake you if you need to be, alert the neighbors in case you're not home, alert to your phone in case you're not home. You can contact your neighbor, a family member, the fire department, and so on. So here's my honest opinion about the Sensereo MS-1 smoke alarm. Easy to install, extremely easy to integrate with my hub alarm, was instant. Very, very fast delivery notifications. As soon as it detected smoke, it just triggers automatically. Scenes, they run smoothly. Yeah, it's a fantastic smoke alarm. So I definitely advise anyone to buy one. It's one of those things you really don't want to trigger to ever listen to this, but if it does, you want it to be connected. So if you're away, you receive notifications, so you can do something about it instead of the traditional ones, which they will beep annoyingly as well, but no one will hear it if no one is at home. So they are absolutely fantastic.